Okay, so it seems like with the move to cloud, it has become even difficult.
So that's a good point. So not really difficult, but there is a notion that is called the shared responsibility model, right? That comes with the advent of this cloud, right? So that essentially means that just talking about the shared responsibility model. So traditionally, all of the infrastructure that existed before, which was managed by IT teams on-prem, now a lot of that has been sort of outsourced to cloud providers, right? So cloud providers have the responsibility of securing their infrastructure and the software layers that they operate, right? These are what we call the inherited security controls, right? So that is what we inherit from the cloud providers themselves, that they have the responsibility to secure their own infrastructure. Then comes the shared model, where customers essentially have to actually secure the things that fall into their domain. That means configuration management, that means change management, things that are in your control yourself, right? So that means securing the databases, having encryption in transit, in rest, things of that nature, right? So cloud providers will give you tools to secure all of these things, but you ultimately, customer, has the responsibility in this shared model to apply the right configurations and security guardrails at that layer, right? And the third thing in this shared responsibility model is highly specific to customer and the regulatory environments you are actually operating in. For example, right? I mean, if your application needs to abide by GDPR, then you have to make sure that the data and the privacy of that data and the compliance is according to the regulations where you are actually operating in. So I wouldn't say it has become more difficult with the advent of cloud, but it does mean you have to look at it from a different lens. You will have all the tools to secure your applications, but you really need to invest in security to make sure that you have a robust and secure application.